let's talk about what's happening on the internet. सब बाहर जाके कह रहे हैं कि if you're depressed, if you're sad, if you're lonely, talk to me, and it's a very nice gesture. It's very kind of you. It's very sweet of you to say. But honestly, I want to ask you one thing. Are you sure what to say to a person who is suffering from all this? क्या आपको पक्का पता है कि ऐसे इंसान से कैसी बातें करनी चाहिए, क्या बोलना चाहिए उन्हें? And I am sure not many people know that. What's the right thing to say? There have been times when a person opened up to somebody and the reaction was unexpected. So talking to a wrong person may worsen the damage. You might think you're doing a right thing, but in reality, you don't know. Maybe you're pushing that person off the edge. You don't know what's happening. It's fine. It's not your fault. What you have to do is you have to tell them to consult a professional, a counselor, because they know what to say. They know how to handle this. They have been trained for this. And I'm not saying every counselor knows what is right. So recently I watched a video of Luke Catino on beer biceps, and he said that there are certain counseling techniques which can make you even more depressed.
Today, there's a lot of scientific study talking about that the more psychologists talk to people, like if I say, come on, go and talk about your problem, you're going deeper and deeper and deeper into it. I can talk to you once, but now I need to move the conversation on how you move forward, not how you get deeper. So there's medical research even coming up on how counseling has to change its path, because the more you put attention on a problem, the more the problem grows. So if I'm going to make you talk about your, for example, relationship that has depressed you more and more, you're getting deeper and deeper into it. I need to create a distraction in the mind right now, empathizing with you, but moving on to a path that can get you out of this, not keep you in it.
If your professional help is not helping you, you can feel free to change the counselor. Nothing is wrong with you. So what I'm saying is advise them to seek professional help, but at the same time, उनकी बातें सुनो भी. Be a good listener at that time. Tell them that they are important, you love them and you care for them, and that's the best thing you can do. One thing is for sure, no depressed person will pick up the phone and call you. वो ऐसे नहीं सोचेगा कि अरे मेरे फ्रेंड ने मुझे बोला है that I can talk to them, तो मैं फ़ोन उठा के उनसे मेरी प्रॉब्लम्स शेयर करूँ. ऐसा डिप्रेस्ड पर्सन नहीं करेगा. एंड इफ़ यू आर बैटलिंग डिप्रेशन, आई जस्ट वॉन्ट यू टू नो दैट देर आर पीपल आउट देयर हु रियली केयर फॉर यू, हु लव you, who want you to be happy. Okay, whenever you think of anything, think of the people you might disappoint by just quitting. There is no pressure. There are so many things. Life में इतनी सारी चीज़ें हैं तुम कर सकते हो. You can just run off to another city, change identity, live a new life, do whatever. I know this is not a simple solution. I'm just saying. It's easy to say. I know. I'm just saying that there are a million solutions to a problem, and you just have to find a right one. And it's fine if you're taking time. Take your own time. It's cool. So one thing I learned from my dad is that we decide our own happiness. If we are content with what we have right now, there are certain things that might not make us sad. I'm not the kind of person who talks very deep and very, emotionally or sentimentally so much. But I think it is high time we start giving mental health importance. And since forever, I have been in support of giving mental health some importance. School वालों ने तो mental health को ऐसे ignore किया है जैसे तुम अपने ex को ignore करते हो. They should talk about mental health. And value education is a subject that people just take it for granted. They don't give a damn about it. So I think value education को थोड़ा importance देके उसमें mental health add करो. Mental health and sex education. These are the two things that we really, really need right now, because people are uneducated in that matter. And if you really want to help someone, be a good listener and promote professional help, because they really know what to say. Sad things have happened lately, but we can't lose our positive hope. Let's pray for a better future. I just want to say rest in peace to Shan Singh Rajput. You did amazing in life. You did a lot of charity. You brought a lot of smiles to our faces. And you were a great talent.